Good morning, students of class 3. Children, I hope you all are fine and doing well. So, now today I will be continuing with your grammar book. So, please take out your grammar book, Superb English Grammar. And today I will be continuing with lesson number 6, page number 26 of your grammar book. Okay, so please take out your grammar book now. Page number 26. So children, in this unit we will be revising the use of helping verbs, that is, am, and are. So students, let's talk about verbs first. You should know what are verbs. What are verbs? Do you know what are action words? Yes, action words are doing words, right? So verb is known as action words, or action words are known as verbs, we can say. They both are same. So the verbs are doing words, right? And whatever we do is verb. All our actions, the words which tells about an action, what a person is doing, all those words are called verbs. Okay, so what are we doing now? We are studying. And what am I doing? I am teaching, I am speaking. And so these type of words like teaching, studying, running, jumping, laughing, sitting, sleeping, all these words, sleep, run, laugh, okay, yeah, speak, tell, so all these words which show some action, right? All these words are verbs, action words also and verbs also, both are same. Okay, so children, verbs tells us what a person or thing does. Very important. Verbs always tells us what a person or what anything does, right? So we will be talking about verbs. Today we will be talking about verbs is, am, and are. So today we will be talking about these three verbs. Okay. Children, these three words is, am, and are called helping verbs. And why are they called helping verbs? Because they help the main verb in the sentence and shows when the action happens. And also we can say they are known as helping verbs because they help the main verb. They help the main verb in the sentence. Okay, to complete the meaning of the in a sentence, these helping verbs are used with the main verb. Okay, so is it clear to you why they are called helping verbs? Because they help the main verb in the sentence to complete the meaning, right? So children, you have to remember always that verbs is, am, and are called helping verbs. And what are helping verbs? Is, am, and are called helping verbs because they help the main verb to complete the meaning in a sentence. Why they are called helping verbs? Because they complete the meaning in a sentence and they help the main verbs also, right? So children, is, am, and are. Okay, is, am, and are also known as noun words. They are also known as noun words. Okay, is, am, and are, they are also known as noun words. Why they are known as noun words? Because they tell or talk about present only. Okay, whatever situation, whatever action happening in the present, always we use is, am, and are over there only. Okay, so why they are called noun words? Because they tell or talk about the present. Okay, we always use is, am, and are with the present, and that is the reason is, am, and are also called as noun words. So two things you have to remember, that is, am, and are helping verbs. Second, is, am, and are noun words. Okay, two things you have to keep in mind always that is, am, and are helping verbs because they help the main verb to complete the meaning in a sentence, and they are called as now words also because is, am, and are used, are always used in the present sentence. Okay, the sentence which we are using to show some present action. Okay, so always remember these 2 points.